Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video we are going to be trying the cabbage soup diet for 14 days. Okay. I know that it is not going to be easy. I will be grumpy most of the time, but I will be losing some inches, okay, period. So yeah, it's going to be a tough one. It is going to be very tough. And by the way guys, I made sure that I do not have any dates during those 14 days. Nobody's going to invite me somewhere, so yeah, that is one of the disadvantages of doing this diet, because I feel like you can't really socialize without munching on something, okay, you know, having some biscuits, having, you know, I can't even eat a fruit on this diet. So yeah, it is going to be a tough one. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching me sharing my experience with you. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. So without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video.
This week I have decided to try the famous cabbage soup diet that's making the rounds on the internet. The ingredients are as follows: cabbage, celery, carrots, tomatoes, peppers, onions, parsley, thyme, stock, garlic and ginger. I'm quickly going to show you how I cooked mine, but you are welcome to cook it anyhow you like. And guys, the cabbage soup diet requires you to eat large quantities of cabbage soup. You are not allowed to eat anything else. You may eat it as much as you like. Drink lots of water. Only green tea and black unsweetened coffee is allowed.
Tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because
so this is the soup, guys, for today. My baby has flu, so I am going to feed him the soup. Yeah, I hope he's going to enjoy it, but it looks really lovely and it tastes lovely too. Hey guys, so today I'm really feeling weak and I can't wait to chow. Okay, I have my soup in the fridge. I'm going to just microwave it and I'm going to eat because I'm too hungry. Like, I can't even work out. I can't work out. So yeah, I hope I'm going to be seeing results. But of course I'm feeling good in terms of weight loss. You know, I mean, you know, my tummy area is looking good. So
tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save on.
hi guys, so yeah, I'm actually warming my soup in the microwave, and honestly speaking, I feel okay today. I am not frustrated at all. I actually have a lot of work to do. So yeah, I woke up in the morning. I had like lemon water so I think probably that helped as well. And I'm actually, one thing that I'm craving is like a good cup of coffee with milk. That's what I'm craving. I wish I could have, yeah, that's my food. I wish I could have that, but Kesana, they said black coffee, so yeah, I will see you guys with an update. At least I can see my neck. Boy, I'm already skinny. Look at my neck. My neck is saying, baby girl, we're going somewhere. So yeah.
You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
So guys, today I just added a little bit of spinach to my cabbage soup diet, and just a little bit though, and then I am chopping my cabbage. So I'm not gonna add tomatoes today. So yeah, I hope I'm going to enjoy this because I am tired and I'm hungry. It is in the morning and I'm really starving. Guys, I ended up adding tomatoes. So yeah, I'm going to let this simmer for about, sorry guys, I'm doing laundry, hence the noise. So I'm going to let this simmer for about 40 minutes and I'm going to enjoy it. Okay. Yeah, it looks lovely. Guys, it is 13:57 and this is actually my second bowl of cabbage. So yeah, I am feeling very hungry today as well, and I've been drinking water. Okay. So I don't know, but this is my cabbage and I'm going to enjoy it.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you dying.
So guys, I'm about to cook the last pot of cabbage. These are the ingredients. I don't want anything else in my cabbage, literally, because yeah, I'm gonna have tomatoes, what is this, carrots. Gonna fry this and fry this. I wish I could have like a fried cabbage. That would taste so good. So this is the last bit that I'm going to cook for this cabbage soup diet, and we will be done soon. Yeah. Guys, look at the mess that I've made. It does show that, you know what, I can't wait to chow. Okay, I'm just hungry. I just want this thing to Uti boot. I just want this thing to be ready and so I can chow. Yeah.
Show ya. Wish for me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it. I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like gunman.
Hey guys, just a little bit update. So today I am really tired. I think that is my right. I'm really tired. I feel like I need something different. I need sugar. Okay, I'm craving grapes. I'm craving a fruit for the first time. Have you ever craved a fruit? I am craving a good fruit. You know, it can be an apple. Good, I don't even care at this point. Except I'm not even craving a banana. I'm craving something that has water, strawberries. But yeah, I'm just craving for something totally different from this cabbage soup diet. It is tiring. Okay. So yeah, I'm not hungry at all. I don't want to lie. I'm not hungry because I can eat. If I'm hungry, I can eat now. But yeah, I'm just tired. I'm exhausted. Yeah, I couldn't see my guys, but yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Sounding like you ice in every time. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Sounding like you ice in every time. We not like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not stay keep a dignity and wine. So kinda unique is
Morning guys, so I just wanted to do like a little update. I see there I do not have a battery and I don't have electricity as well. So I just wanted to do an update. What time is it? It is 9:34 and I'm feeling good really. I woke up and I washed most of my wigs and yeah, I'm having a good start of the day. Okay, so yeah, when the electricity comes back at about 11, that's when I'm going to have my first meal of the day. Okay,
waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes do come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all, 'cause life's too hard, life's too mean, but I can't just jump in.
and there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. And by the way guys, next week we are going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be fueling our bodies with great nutrients. Okay, like we need to eat something. So for the next 7 days I will be doing intermittent fasting. The reason why I'm doing intermittent fasting, I'll probably be doing 18 to 6, and then 20. If I feel really good, I will be doing the 20 to 4 method, meaning I will be fasting for 20 hours and my eating window will be 4 hours. I hope I'm making sense. Okay, so the reason why I am doing this is because I want to also see if I'm going to gain all this weight that I've lost from the cabbage soup diet back. Okay, yeah, I'm really excited about that, and I hope that you guys will be joining me. If you want to join me, I will literally be eating anything that I want in moderation, but I will be fasting. Okay, so yeah, I'm excited. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do not forget to leave a comment down below and let me know, are you going to try the cabbage soup diet? Were you trying it with me? Are you going to try the intermittent fasting? I don't want to call it a diet, because I feel like this one is more sustainable. Okay, so yeah guys, I will see you guys next week with the results.